Hello guys. In this video I'll show you how to delete all duplicate photos on your iPhone or iPad and free up storage space. First, open the Photos app on your device. Now instead of deleting photos manually, go to the Albums or Gallery section and scroll down. Under Utilities, you'll see a folder called Duplicates. Tap on it, and here you'll find all your duplicate photos automatically grouped. Now tap on Select in the top right corner, then tap Select All. After that, don't press the trash icon. Instead, tap on Merge at the bottom. This will keep the best version and remove all duplicate copies safely. And that's it. Your duplicate photos are now cleaned up and you've saved storage space. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.